how to see unsent message on Messenger, or how we can see remove message on Messenger. So the Facebook Messenger allow user to unsend or remove messages from a chat, but once a message has been unsent, it typically not be accessible through the messenger itself. However, there are a few things you can try to recover your unsent messages. First of all, open up your messenger and go for the one of the chat here. Once you are on your one of the chat, if you have seen that message, just long press on that, go for the more icon and just unsend it from everyone. Here you can see the your unsent message. If they had sent you a message, the notification has sent to them or unsent. You have to launch your messenger app on your device. If you have notification enabled, you might find the previous of unsent message in your notification center. So you have to make sure that go for the three line which is on the top left corner. Just tap on the setting icon and go for your notification and sound. If you have toggled this on, you can find the notification here on your screen. So if you have a backup of your device for Google Drive or iCloud, etc., so that was made before the message was unsent, you can restore the backup on your device. Also, you can launch the Messenger app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, then select the archive set. Sometimes unsent messages might appear in the archive conversation there. So with the help of this process, you can easily know about how you can download or see the unsent message on your messenger. So in general, once a message is unsent on messenger, it is intended to be removed permanently from both the sender and receiver view. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.